scared. Let me tell y'all a story about how scared this nigga was. And we did a pool one day, right? So we was on our way to the goddamn range, and we came on a nice little straightaway and shit. So I did a roll from 30. This nigga said, "Yo, that sign." He says, "Yo, that sign says to go around that curve doing 45 miles an hour." That shit had me in tears, my nigga. I could not believe that. I couldn't understand why the nigga say slow down. He said the sign said.
Y'all gotta understand. Y'all gotta understand. Okay, I ain't driving no big boy like this, but a nigga got a 4.20 Jaguar. Mm-hmm. So I just wrecked the Jag. So, you know, speed got under my skin a little bit right then. And he had just got it and came and snatched the brother up and wanted to show me the power.
Yes,
yo,
sir.
And, hey, look, you could have set a coal up under my ass and it would have turned into a diamond.
Yeah.
Snug, I love this little motherfucker.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And then that goes up there like that.
Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is this at? They ain't give us one of these either. They just expect us to have all the well, we should have all the fucking tools. Alright guys, so this is the second mod to the goddamn vehicle. You got this size hose? And we installing the catch can today. Big bro giving me a hand.
Hold on, let me grab it.
He got all the fucking tools. But yeah, man. I do my own shit if I can. So a little simple shit like this, I don't have no problem giving it a attempt. But I feel like they didn't give me a lot of shit that I need to get this job done. I don't know why this shit seems so short as far as hardware. All this shit, truthfully. Alright. But the only thing we trying to do is like get it installed or pre-prep so we can see exactly where it's gonna go when we get this bitch in here. I think we're gonna pull that out right there. Everybody say use a flathead. Bring a flathead too, bro. Why this shit seems so short to me, man. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna be able to work it out. I'm gonna tell you where I'm really confused at though. Let me show you where I'm really confused at. So you see this right here? They only gave me one of these and I feel like I need to have another one for here. But I can't find no video to show me exactly how to do the damn thing. So this is where I'm stuck at. But you know, we're gonna nigga rig some shit. Cause that's just what we do. We figure it out. That's why we're innovators, right? That's what Agame is all about. Achieve greatness and maintain excellence. Hey man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Big bro coming back with the goddamn tools to get right. I'm gonna pop y'all back up there.
Can't bless that much. A little bit bigger than that.
Y'all turned out to be a very nice day today. But y'all already know once this motherfucking sun go down, it's gonna be back to balls. Cold as balls.
Perfect.
Perfect. Don't you love it when you got the shit you need? Don't put it too tight. You might have to adjust it a little bit. This is, yeah. You bought a flathead too?
Okay, so we might as well mount this first.
Right.
And
Okay.
then,
yeah, because now we know where to go. Can I have my lighter right? Why niggas always...
You got your lighter. You got your lighter.
I do not have it. Niggas lighters always end up in somebody else's pocket.
This thing got 30 pockets right now. He got his... Oh, shit.
Oh, you got my lighter. Yeah, watch shit. You see what I'm saying?
Ah, that's that bullshit. That's that bullshit. Damn it.
What?
Gotta stop sticking my feet out too damn far.
What you done did?
See, be having to listen to your boy when he say you gotta have the right tool for everything. You gotta have the right tool.
That means that. That's what that means.
That means the piece is off. Now where's the long bolt? You just had it.
Which one go?
The long bolt that goes in here.
Oh, it's right here. I think that thing's supposed to be on the other side.
When I tell y'all, this is the most valuable tool in my toolbox. This little ass wrench right here. This little wrench. If I lost this, I would go crazy. Every time I go to the store, I try to find one and can't find one just as a backup. When you're working on a car, getting a full-size wrench in tight places,
it's no good, goddamn.
too long, but we got minis. Oh, they gave you an Allen wrench, right?
Yeah, but I just looked at it. It's not the right side.
No, yeah, that ain't the right one. This too big.
Hey guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah,
we just two guys trying to get some shit done on a Monday at that. But I'm doing this for you guys. You know, having one of the most trending cars in the world is a big deal to a lot of us. And you know, you got to get it to work the way you want it to work by adding these mods or doing these mods to them. So this is what I think. I think that piece is supposed to go on this side. Damn, that shit all the way through already. That's why, look. See it? You see it on the back where it's all the way through?
Mm-hmm. Gotta pull it off on it.
You hear that, guys? Put the on it. It's crooked. That shit gonna come loose with the goddamn, with the what's called from the car. Let's take it out and put the piece on the other side.
This is how it go. Because see, it gives it the clearance.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, just seen it.
She ain't going nowhere.
That look good right there. That look good right there.
She go nowhere, man.
There's something missing. Why is there something missing?
See, I don't think you should put these lock threads with that because both of these holes are pipes are supposed to line up going the same direction.
But we don't have nothing to put this in and in.
Where's the other bolt?
What other boat? There was another boat?
The one that connects this to this.
Yeah, the little one is inside of it.
Yeah, but there was another one.
Alright, so we end up finding what we was looking for. The shit was under the car. We're stupid. It's okay.
straight down. That's open.
That's open, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna put it like this. I tell you, I thought I lost this bitch one day. I tore up everything looking forward.
Where you get them from? Harbor Freights?
Nah, I got it from Advanced Auto, but then I ain't been able to find another one since. This motherfucker, when I tell you handy, cause the way they build cars, you can't get your hand and a regular size wrench in there like that.
No.
Okay, let's go. Up the other way, it's up on this side, so it's closed right now.
Okay.
But when you try to swing this way, this line is in the way, so it's clear on that side. Let's turn it just a little bit. Ain't going nowhere.
All right, now I'm sure that that's enough.
Now, see, this is what's getting me.
Yeah, that's what's getting me too.
I'm telling you, you're gonna have to go to Lowe's, run at Lowe's, and go to the plumbing section.
I can't go to Lowe's without that shit being on.
That's what we got the Jeep over there for.
Oh. Or we could just put that right back in there, right? The piece that came out.
Yeah, you could stick that right back in there.
Just pull that out.
This motherfucker in there.
You might have to use a screwdriver.
I gotta wiggle this bitch. I did an oil change and shut everything down. The phone was right here. Lean on the thing. I closed the door down on it.
That's
I
crazy.
was upstairs in the shower and I realized my phone was damn.
That is crazy. So anyway, we about to take a trip to Lowe's and see if we can find a piece just to get this thing completed. So that's what we're gonna do, man. So I'll see you when we get back or when we get there. I don't know how I'm feeling yet. You feel me? All right. So this is the one. This is the part that freaking had me worried because it didn't come with it. So now I found it. So we're gonna go back and use this to finish this install off.
I wonder if this will fit or not. It's way shorter than that.
Oh, on the AR?
Yeah.
It looked too bulky.
They look, I mean, the other one, when it's up there, look the same size.
Yeah, of course, you got to
So it's the same size and you don't like it? Oh, because of the loanings? Oh, that shit fire. How much was that? $20?
$20?
Well, how you gonna clamp it on?
It's like this will fit inside the rail that it fits in. Let me get it. Because it's smaller than the light I got up there.
Get that in. Yeah, they gotta get you a Christmas gift. Merry Christmas.
Oh. Yeah,
We need this flashlight over here. And also, yeah, seemingly has something on it. Oh, pull that red piece off. Street racing technology, goddammit. So, guys, I don't care what it look like under the hood because no one's going to pay attention to anything under the hood until all the other shit comes in. At the end of the day, we got this bitch done with a little bit of niggerigization. Yeah, boy. Yeah, buddy. That's it, guys. One and done. Or one is done. Shit.
Thing gotta put a little lube on that thing. Gotta get that hole nice and wet.
Get her right, goddammit. Get her right. That's old school shit. Y'all young bucks don't know nothing about that.
Damn it.
Try the other end. I think the other end got a cleaner cut.
Like the old folks say, I wasn't holding my mouth right.
He is dangerous, guys. This nigga done poked my eye, cut me, all kind of shit before, so I know to stand the fuck back. Yeah, boy. It is done. Catch pan is installed. Thanks to my bro, man. I appreciate that. You already know,
Hey,
man.
you know how we do. Family first.
That's it, baby.
Always. Ain't
Yes,
no. We friends last. Family first.
Best believe it. And remember, friends last longer than anything. Not really. But yeah, baby, the shit is installed, guys. That's another mod for you, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, and goddamn subscribe. You know, let a nigga know what you think we should do next. And I'm just gonna keep dropping content, man. Next thing you know, I'm gonna be out here doing pulls with niggas, man. This nigga, that shit took off, didn't it? But yeah, man, that's the power of that beast, man. SRT life, man. Anyway, man, like I asked you guys to do, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. And goddamn, let me know what other mods you got. I got another one coming. I got a few coming. So just stick with me. But let me know what y'all think I should be doing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it for the video. This shit is done. Catch pan is on. And that's it, man. Catch you in the next one.